know what's so great about fishing? It's hanging out with your buddies. It's taking time out with your family. It's getting your fishing fix. Just you, the lake, and some open sky.
Oh, that's a beauty.
Born in the heartland of America, South Bend has been making quality fishing tackle at real-life prices for over 100 years. And they're still doing it. That's why I love them. Whether you're a guy like me who loves to fish whenever I can, or you're just discovering the simple joy of fishing for the first time, bring South Bend along. You don't have to spend a lot to get a lot of what matters most. South Bend, a fishing tradition since 1906.
Hey everyone, Steve Oropezza here from Promar Nahi USA. Today I'm going to be talking about the Promar TR555 folding crab trap. This trap measures in at 24 inches long by 22 inches wide and 13 inches tall. It also has a 3-inch by 3-inch mesh, which is perfect for Dungeness crab in the northwest, and has 2 escape rings that measure 4 3/8 of an inch. The trap includes 4 entrances at the base of every side, and it has a top hinge door for easy removal of your catch, as well as swapping out your bait. The top hinge door comes rigged with a stainless steel hook, black bungee, and rock cord that meets the rock cord requirements. The entire trap is coated in a blue vinyl with the exception of all the entrances, which are coated in a black vinyl so that you can easily distinguish them. The TR555 was designed to fold flat and stow away easily on boats and kayaks that have limited space on the deck. For more information on the Promar TR555, visit our website at promarnets.com and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks again for watching.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.